Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, in this short video, I want to show us how we can get our link. Like some people have been asking, how do I get my link so I can share to other people? So I can share on my WhatsApp status, on my Facebook, and all that. Okay. So in this short video, I'll be showing you how to do that. Some already have their TGR wallets downloaded in their phones, while others still go through the browser like me. Okay, so follow me. It's loading. Beautiful. So when you go to your dashboard now, okay, it's showing me login, so I need to log in into an account to be able to do that. Okay, so when you enter your dashboard, this is your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Okay, so you click on those three lines for those using phone. If you are using laptop, you see that the three lines option will be there already. But for the purpose of those using phone, okay, you click on those three lines here. Click on my account here. Click on my profile here. Here is your referral link. Okay, this is the link you need to copy. All you just need to do is to tap and hold on it. It's highlighted and you copy. Okay, after you have copied, you can go to anywhere you want to share it and paste it there. Hope it's well understood. Thank you.